Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Linda, and today I am back. I'm feeling good. I've been gone. I've been working on myself, trying to lose this weight. It's a struggle. This is leftovers from, I guess, the potluck at my job yesterday. We got some salt and pepper wings. This is not orange chicken, it's lemon chicken or lime chicken, and some chicken fried rice. Babao, yummy, some sriracha on the side. So let's just dig in. And I have, what is it, strawberry Fanta on this side. Well, guys, some sriracha on that. I'm at work on my lunch, of course, what's new? Are not gonna be as crispy, of course, but I still will eat them. So good. One of my favorite dishes. Salt and pepper chicken. This is so good. I gotta hurry. You guys, I know I don't post a lot on here. I took some time off to focus on me. If you want to see more of me, I will put my info in the description below. And so if you want some workout tips, come follow me. And I posted a video yesterday. We were gonna prank both our kids. My son didn't have a reaction, so only our daughter's video got posted. And she's really sensitive. It's called cheating in front of your kids to see if they will tell on you. gotta scoop all that goodness, the garlic, the green onions. Take a bite of your chicken. I dyed my hair. And I trimmed 2 inches off. I've been working out in the morning with my coworker Felicia. I told her that I had this eating channel. And she's like, what, like one of those mukbangs? And I told her yes, and she wants to join me. So we need to plan that out. me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. My lips are so greasy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for still being here. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell notification, and go add me on Snapchat and Instagram. I'm gonna go clean off, wipe this off, reapply. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and if you guys have any food recommendations, let me know. I feel like I have to burp. Excuse me. I don't mean to blow it, but excuse me, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.